Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rookies, and today we are going to unbox the Ambrane 20000 mAh power bank. So this is the box that it came in. These are the specifications on the back. So let's open the box. First up, as you can see, there is a case. The case is of premium quality. The USB cable to charge. The USB cable is also of good quality. This is the warranty and the user manual. And this is the power bank itself. The power bank is a lot smaller than I expected. The power bank feels heavy. These are the battery indication lights on top with the two USB ports. And on the bottom you can see the capacity and the input and output. And this is where you can charge your power bank from. Thank you guys for watching.